What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to clean and condition Pirarucu fish boots. I'm sure you guys name it something else or a different way. Amazon fish, there's all kinds of names for this kind of type of skin. We all know it as a Pirarucu fish skin. And I'm gonna show you how to clean and condition these boots today. As you can tell, it's the big scales. It's not bass, it's not sea bass, all right, just to let you guys know. And then we're gonna first, obviously these are brand new, but I'm just gonna show you the basic steps on how to do it. I already tested it out. So let me show you. First you're gonna pretty much dust them off, obviously. Make sure everything's real clean. Any dirt, anything else extra on there, just dust it off. All right, and then you get a little toothbrush or any kind of brush. You can get this type of brush, which is like a regular bristle brush, or I use a toothbrush for like the inside of the welt here. Take all the dust off. All right, the back, there's gonna be some stuff stuck in there too once you get them real dirty. All right, cool. Then I tried this the Angelus reptile cleaner conditioner. It didn't work. It actually darkened the actual skin, so I tested this out with this boot and I let it sit there for a while and it didn't change the color. It's the Scout Reptile Exotic Skin Cleaner. This one worked. It's the only one that worked for this skin that I tested, and it didn't change the color at all. All right, and I'm gonna spray them first. You can spray as much as you want. Depends on how, if you wear them very often, I guess you could say. But you can just spray the heck out of them. It's not gonna affect the boot. All right. Then you take this brush, any type of brush, and go with the scales. You'll feel it if you're going against the scales or with the scales. Most of the time they're gonna go down. You just brush it in. All right, on back part you can see the scales. They are in a pattern and you can really feel it. So just go with them. Gotta make sure I'm going right with them. Cool. And remember, it doesn't matter if you get that exotic skin cleaner on here. It pretty much will condition the actual leather up here. You can use this. Make sure you use the leather cleaner up here for the shaft. Like I said, it doesn't matter if you get it up here. The scalp cleaner will be fine. And it doesn't matter if you get it inside the cracks. It's not going to change the color of the actual stitching. All right. And that's it. And then you just wipe them down. Boom. That's it. Just let them sit there for maybe, I let my boots sit for about a day, just to make sure everything's dry. You could wait an hour or so, but I just like waiting for a while to make sure everything's dry. Cool. That's how you clean and condition and care for the Pirarucu fish boots. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. See ya.